is, suppose a is equal to something, b is equal to something, suppose c is equal to a plus b, then suppose I am printing the answer is suppose comma c. Then it is already saved. Just again press Ctrl S because we have added something. Now you want to run this, just go to run here, run without debugging, or you can press Ctrl F5 in your keyboard. So run this, you will get the answer here, right here. Now we are going to see a function can return multiple values also. Okay, a very important concept. So let's see. Suppose I am defining a function Kelsey. You can write any name with this function, and I am passing to argument. These variable names also you can give any. And how to return multiple values? Just write return, which is a keyword, and suppose I am writing a plus b, comma a minus b. That means I am returning multiple values, two values. One is summation of a and b, another is subtraction of a and b. This can be done. Now suppose this is my function, definition over. Run this. Now during calling, obviously you know that after that you have to call. So now during calling, you have to call this Kelsey by passing suppose two variables I am passing. Suppose the first one is giving you the summation of these two values, and the second one is giving you the subtraction of these two values. Done. This is how you can write a function which can return multiple values also.